Everybody, it's Kim, and I am on with 3 Temu bags. So, why did I show 4? 3. Anyway. So, 2 came today. I feel like their shipping's gotten faster again. I don't know. So, I got another watch, and it was $365, and it's purple. You know, I gotta have them go with my outfits. So, there's that. I'm wearing one today that I've had a while. So there's that. And then jewelry wise, I got for 89 cents. For the love of Pete. I had these all open, but you know, it is what it is. So this style, just they change color based on how the light is hitting it. So I've gotten these before, but of course I've lost one, so now I have 3. And let's see, this was $1.82. Can you see that good enough? I don't know if you guys are interested in the jewelry or not, but since this is in my order, I'm getting it. Showing it. Let's see. It's kind of a square. My birthstone is aquamarine, so I thought that would be close. And these were $1.82, if I didn't already say that. And then these look like turquoise. I'm sure they're not, but these were $1.07, just a little stud. I had one in a red, and of course I can't find it. So there you go. I was hoping to get the red one again, but I did not see them on there. So there's, this will be in bag 1, order 1. I link the whole order below. I asked for my money back on this. This is a tablecloth, and it's okay, but it's really thin and shiny and not what I was. It's a tablecloth, round tablecloth. I'll probably use it. I don't know. Just wasn't that crazy about the material. So it was $7.88, but I don't recommend that one. Oh, here's another pair of earrings. Yellow. $1.49. What is that? Things fell out. Uh-oh. And I kind of reorganized. I've been working on, I cleaned so much, and I'm having friends from that I used to work with over tomorrow night and treating them to chicken tortilla soup and just having them over before Christmas. And so I took up my 2 Michael's version of Raskogs and put them up in my little hallway upstairs just because these are yellow. I've decided what's going on. Why do I kind of hesitate to have people over? It's because my living room's always a mess and looks cluttered because of all the crafty stuff. Not that I'm not going to craft down here, but I'll try to limit it so I'm not just piling it in there. I don't know. We'll see how long that lasts. $1.61. This was smaller than I was hoping. You know, me and measurement. But I'm gonna do snowmen, and I got a bunch of these. I'm so bad in the next order. But anyway, I'm gonna put this in my window. Cute. I mean, look at him. Look at that face. Oh, cute. So cute. And so since I'm doing snowmen, I'm thinking I need to finish up ordering stuff. Because, you know, with the tariffs that might come and all of that, I think things like the Temu and everything is gonna go way up. So everything's gonna go way up, but yeah. Anywho. So isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, look at that little fish. Oh, see, my favorite shape is a circle, so. This is 7 1/4, 3/4. It's wood. And it comes with the string to hang it, so there's that. So we got my snowman collection going. Snowman in January, right? All right, this is order number 2. Nothing too exciting in this one. Oh, yes, there is. I take it back. So I have looked at this little Mr. Claus and Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, Mr. Claus, you know, figurines for 2 years now. But I didn't want to pay $15, so they offered me some special deal, and I got these for $4.60 something. Yeah, baby. So, and they're taller than I thought they would be. So from his star down, he's like 7 inches. And they're well done. A little bit of But I have looked at and wanted these forever. Look at her face. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at that detail on that dress. And then you get, there's on a little stand. So I can put them out, and they package them so well in a foam container inside a box, and I'm keeping that so I can package them for future, and hopefully they don't break. And then I got this stamp set that's just for labels. Probably have something already like it. Like this one is 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. It looks like this tiny little guy's a smidge over 1. No, it's 1 inch. Well, 1 1/4. A little circle. So I like those, and those were $1.64. I got this thinking because it folds and this fits inside each one. You can layer them. Sorry, if I showed you without the glare, it would be even better. And this was $2.42. And each panel is about 3 1/2. And then all the panels together are about 5 1/2. Just thought it'd be fun. Even in a journal, you could glue this middle part down and then fold it and have it. So that was my thinking there. And I got these girls because it involved rain stamps. I went to Daiso today. I'll be sharing that later. Target last night. Saw some Barbara from Chubby Lovey. Hi, Barbara, if you're watching. And she had shown playing cards. Well, they only had 2 decks left, and they weren't the. I bought them, but they weren't really the ones I wanted. Anyway, but I bought them anyway, and I got some other things. So these are so cute. Look at these little girls. Splash. You make me happy when skies are gray. After every storm comes a rainbow. I'm here for you, rain or shine. Sorry you're feeling under the weather. So, you know, I like little girl stuff. So, like this girl here is 2 1/2 tall. They're all about a little over 2 1/2. So, then on Facebook I see these things, and then I go to Temu and get it there. $4.59. And what this does, I like my bottles, right? That we all like to drink out of, and it, sorry, could show it. $4.59, and it cleans. I don't know how this comes out. Oh, it swivels. So you can clean the lid and the inside of your bottle. Like, you know, lidded tumblers that we all are drinking out of. This probably will never use it. $1.87. It's not very often I travel with. Sorry, crinkle, crinkle. But it's to strap around. Say you make something in your crock pot and you want to bring it somewhere, you bring this around and it keeps the lid on. So it's like a giant rubber band. Then I ordered these, and the whole set was $5.49. It came, I don't think it was local, but it came separately. And what these are these, you get the tomato, I think, onion, or lemon, whatever size, and an avocado. What will this be? They have a picture where it shows. Let me look. I got my trusty laptop here. Vegetable and fruit fresh box. Item sold out. Okay. So depending on the size. So the red is your tomato, lemon, avocado, and onion. I guess. This depends on the size. So this screws off. This is flexible, so it'll bend with the item. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. I'm loving my little tomato keeper, so I thought, well, that way I'm not wasting bags all the time. Just when they give them to me. I mean, speaking of wasting bags, look at all that. Yeah, I'm so conservative on, you know, trash. Anyway, there we go. So that is bagged. Oh. And I'm collecting. Okay, here's my story. I don't know if I told you guys, but I have a black one I just got, and I had it on, and this little thing here came undone right almost immediately. Luckily, all my ID and everything's in this one part. It dropped. I was putting Tori in the car, And we went and looked at lights like I do with Emma. She just thought that was the best. We were just like playing the Christmas music, so it was fun to share that with her. But anyway, now this one looks better. But what I did with my black one, that this came loose, is I punched a hole right here, so it's not going to do that. So I got, yeah. And then my next order, you'll see another one. Because what Kim does is she gets obsessed with things, and then I've decided in my little pea brain that I don't know what's going to happen on the economy, but I'm worried. So $3.60, this is bag number 3. So I got another one like this one, and it was $3.65, so I could have it for spring, summer. Anyway, okay, this is the Suncatcher craze, I guess. So these really are nice. They're just a sticker. You peel it off of this, wipe your window down first, and I just think they're so fun. $1.35, and you know I love my hummingbirds. So these are going to go in my living room window, I think. Now, I had a butterfly one, and I think, you know, I took it off for Christmas, so I wasn't sure if it's how it would survive, so I got another one. I believe it's the same one for $1.46. I mean, they're so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. So that one, and then this is like a Christmas red cardinals, and I might just put this away for next year. I don't think I'll put it up. And it says welcome. So this would be pretty in my window. I might put it out there. I'm having my friends over. That'll be fun. Look how pretty that is, though. It's just plastic, but it comes off easy. Now that tree that that doesn't come off easy. I was bummed. It didn't. I got my money back on the tree though, so I can't complain. And I also got another hummingbird, and I think some of these might someday, when I get to go back up to my trailer, I will put these on my trailer window. It's not letting me take this off. So this is trying to show you. This one's a little bit different in the way makeup of it. It's just a little thicker, I guess. Isn't that pretty though? Look at that. And they're about 7.5, 8 inch. Except for my little snowman. He was a little guy. So yeah, I kind of went a little nuts on the whole. And this hummingbird's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. Hey, what else did Kim get? Oh, and I just like these little brushes. I use them for my eyebrow makeup, but I also use them just for crafting. So I got 3 of these, and they were $1.38, I think. And one more thing, I saw scrapbook.com had these trays, stackable trays. I don't know if these are equivalent. These were 10 of them for $10.31. For just crafting and doing things. Be perfect for beading. I have way too many. 10. I might share with Margaret or something. So there's 10 of them, and they are from rim to rim, 11 by 8.5, but the inside is about 10, I would say, by 7.75. So anyway, I don't know. Are these the same? I don't know if they are or not. And then I was cleaning in my craft ribbon. I have some that aren't clear like this that I forgot about. So Kim's got the corner on the market there, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I will share another haul video soon, and I'm working on some cards that I will share as well. Okay, so yeah, the kids were here. It was a brief, quick visit. I went to their family party, and that was so much fun. I had a really good time. I just love how they include me like I'm a member of the family. It's just so sweet. And oh my gosh, Riley, my daughter-in-law, does such a beautiful job on the girls' hair because they both have wavy, curly hair. And she took Vienna's, and she said she just puts a little bit of lotion in it while it's damp. And there's just little pin curls all over. Oh my gosh. I didn't think she could get any cuter, and then she did. And then Tori, same thing, but hers were in pigtails, and it was just one long ring. Oh my lord. Looked like Buffy from, what was that, where they lived with a uncle or something? I don't know. And they had the butler. Anyway, they were adorable, and they had matching purple Christmas dresses on. So very sweet. All right, you guys, that's it for me for now. Thanks for hanging in there. I will leave the links below, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.